We are doing well. We are doing fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. So, ma'am, as we are meeting very first time, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. As you both are already know, my name is Pooja Singh and I am from UP, India. I hold a BTech degree and I am a devoted mother of inquisitive 5-year-old and I love reading, watching, cooking as well as I have a green thumb too. And simultaneously, run a small YouTube channel where I uploaded English related shorts video and conversation tutorials too. Yeah, it's a little glimpse who I am. Thank you so much.
If you tell me, I can also introduce myself
Yes,
here.
yes, I love to know about you both. Please introduce yourself.
This is Maliha with the Masud. I study in 8th standard. Talking about me, so there are 4 members in my family. It's a nuclear family. It's my parents, me, and my brother, and we are siblings as well as we are twins. We are from
Oh,
Bangladesh. If I talk about my hobby, so I like reading stories, novels, as well as I like visiting as well. If I talk about how is going our practice, especially spoken English, so it's going very fantastically. So this is it about
great,
me.
great to know about you. As if I am not wrong, your name is um, Muaz?
Maliha,
Yes, yes,
Maliha,
my
Maliha, and your brother's name is Muaz.
yes, your pronunciation
Okay,
is correct.
okay, okay, Maliha and Muaz. Okay, so could you introduce yourself, Muaz? I love to know
yeah,
about you.
yeah. It's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you very much for this golden opportunity that's for me from you. I love to introduce myself. This is Muaz Masud, and this is my sister. We are siblings and twins, baby. As you know, we are belong to Bangladesh, a rural village, a countryside. And to be honest, we both study same class, eight standard. And to be
It
honest,
is
we are from the medium school, and we have been running, and also we have been speaking English since last 2 years, and we have a little bit of experience,
oh,
and in future we want to do something better. That's why we're learning English. And talking about my hobbies, I like riding bicycle, speaking English with a stranger like this, and making this
hmm.
vlog video. That's it, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Great to know about you. Thank you so much for introducing yourself. And first of all, I just know, I'm very curious to know about both of you. You are speaking very well, like their accent, I can say. So, how did you get your
um,
accent?
to be honest,
For
ma'am, so many people ask us that how did you get such a great accent. To be
yes,
honest, great, we have gained this accent by practicing a lot. To be honest, we both, especially I want to speak in American English, so that's why in the previous time I watched so many American people video, YouTubers video, but nowadays a lack of time I cannot watch, but still I'm trying to speak in American accent. I'm trying my best. And because of practice and at our home we made the environment to speak 24 hours in a day. So with our parents, with our English teacher in class, and with each other, we all time speak English. I think this is the matter
okay.
better
Okay, like
place.
24 into 7. You both are able to speak English.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
like if
Okay. In
in
my
our house.
area, I do not get to such kind of environment to speak 24 into 7 hours is English, I can say.
So,
So
ma'am,
it's kind of, hmm.
yes, we don't use our mother tongue. So that's why this is the reason that why we are improving day by day, especially with our teachers as well as tutor. We don't speak our mother tongue. If the teacher is for English, but we speak with him English. If other subjects, but we speak in English.
Like when
Okay.
speak English with the people, those who can speak English. Like when people cannot speak English, although he's a teacher or relative, we should
Hmm.
speak in mother tongue with them because they can
Okay.
understand English. But those who can speak, we should speak English with them.
Okay. And what about your parents? They speak English very well?
Yeah, in the previous time they cannot speak so properly. Even they cannot make a simple sentence. But because of us, as they're practicing, as they're listening all the time in English, so nowadays they can speak very well, and they can also order, say something, want something in English. So we have met the
Oh,
environments.
oh, it's kind of privilege, I can say you have such kind of environment. So by watching TV, by watching American video and all this, you are able to get such kind of fluency only that, yeah, you do shadowing practice too.
No, ma'am. To be honest, as a student, so most of the time we are busy with our academic study.
I can resonate. Hmm. Yes.
So, ma'am, I have some question for you. Would you like to share with us about your English journey? How long have you been learning this language, English? Who motivated you to learn this language?
Sorry.
Where did you consider and think that you should study your English journey? Please.
Yes, yes, sure. As I can say I'm beginner. I just started my journey 13 September. I can say it's been 2.5 year, 2.5 month. I can say. So I'm just polishing my communication and English here. And once a time I just scrolled my Facebook, and where I stumbled upon a video related to English conversation video. So I thought like, if she could do, I can also do. So I got motivation from there. So I am as I told you, I have a 5-year-old child too, and for the sake of my child, I also want to improve my English and communication, because I just want to give him such kind of English environment, because he goes to school and every teacher, and his school is full of English environment. I can say if he is not able to communicate in English, this then maybe it's kind of embarrassed. He fails sometimes. So for the sake of my child, I just started my English journey, but now I'm enjoying. I love to interact with different person. I can say for that reason I'm able to talk with you guys today. Yeah, I'm enjoying. And if I'm not able to connect with a single person in a day, so I feel like I feel frustrated. I feel I'm not doing I am not do anything for myself. I just want to interact with at least one person in a day. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am. This is
yeah, and I have to manage all the things in my house. So how do you get time to interact with people, because you are studying, you are a student now, so it's very kind of daunting task for you both.
Yeah, ma'am. Nowadays it's a little bit boring and it's very tough for us to handle the time, YouTube channel, Facebook page, as well as learning English process. That's why we have taken the one idea that we will all time speak English. We don't take, except in making video and making conversation, we don't take other time to practice our spoken English because we know that we are students, so we don't have much time. So that's
Yes.
why we speak English. We don't use our
O-
mother tongue family members, and thus we have got, and after a long time we have making conversation with you.
okay, okay. So what is your school timing?
Oh, our school timing, you
Yes.
have asked a great question. Our school timing is 11 to 4 afternoon, but
11
today
to
we did.
4. And
Hmm.
right now your area is like 11:30.
Hmm.
So this
Because
is your school timing.
yes, it's our school time, but we didn't go for several weeks. That's why we didn't go school.
Okay, okay, great, great. And what would you like first, Muaz, I would like to say, I would like to ask you, what you be, what is your future goal in future?
Oh, to be honest, every person has a great desire. So I have some
Yes,
desire, like I want to do IELTS, and I want to go abroad for higher study, as well as I want to become an engineer so that I can live alone
great.
and get passionate to become so famous in the world. So that's why I'm working hard, and I think this language will help me very much beside this.
Yes, yes, yeah, definitely, every field. And what about you, Mahila?
Maliha, you pronounced my
Maliha, yeah, Maliha. Sorry for that.
No problem, it's okay.
Maliha. Hmm.
if I talk about my future plans, so in the future I want to become a doctor.
Great, great. You have like a totally opposite, I can say. Muawaz has like a big on math, and you are interested in
Biology.
biology. That's why. So, do you do fight sometime?
Yeah, it's natural. It's natural. You know.
Yeah, it's natural. That's why I asked you.
You should know well that we are same class and the same age. So we are
Yes.
young. So we
Yeah.
should
If
fight.
yes, yes. If we have like a 2 to 3 year gap, then it's also like me and my siblings has 2 to 3 year gap. You don't do. Okay, like as I heard like somewhere and some by some people like they say, please do shadowing. It's help us a lot. If you're talking about related to accent, if you want to get, if you want to be more fluent, like if you want to be fluent faster, then we have to be follow shadowing technique. I can say so. It's
Oh,
working.
I don't know exactly it's work or not because we didn't apply in our real life. I just heard so many Indian people that they do shadow practice a lot. I think that it will help them, but I don't know exactly because I never applied this. I didn't apply
Hmm.
this. That it will help them somehow, anyhow. However, we need to practice English, like making conversation, making blog within
Yes.
outside it, or any kind of way. We need to just practice, and practice because practice is
Yes.
the one of the things that
Yes,
can.
yes, one of the best key I can say. Yeah, I gradually expanding the range of my knowledge and my confidence nowadays. I can say, and I pushing myself to get out my linguistic comfort zone right now. And yeah, I'm trying to I am trying to fine tune my English, but let's see like I do everyday practice. I do whatever I just want to do. I do everything whenever I get time. I'm like all the time, all the my leisure time. I giving for my English. I'm too much into listening and speaking. I
Yeah,
do not
listen.
enjoy reading,
Oh,
We are
but
same
sometimes
because we also don't enjoy reading. First of all, we listening a lot in the time. It gives us more confident. If we
yes.
listen, we can
Mm-hmm.
understand. Speak so
Yes,
frequent.
yes. If we listen anything now, then we are like I am that kind of capable person. Like I can grab quickly by the
Yes, ma'am.
listening. I can say so. That's why I prefer to listen.
But you know, ma'am, that we are students, so we don't have much time. We just have
Yes,
to adhere our study. Apart from this, we just casually make video, but not so much. We don't addicted to phone anyway, so we just focus on our study so that in future we will get a good job. That's why we are doing. But
yes.
so
Definitely, definitely. You will get.
don't.
You both are going to get like a good job. I can say in your field. What is your
So,
dream? You will going to find that.
so ma'am,
My
if you
all
don't
wishes with you. Yes.
session for today, if you don't mind, can you wrap up this session for today because we have time more than 20 minutes, I think. So we should wrap up because we have some
Yes,
studies.
yes, yes, sure, sure, sure. Because you have some time constraint, I can say, because you are a student right now.
yes,
Yes,
it
yes.
was.
It
Okay,
was
thank,
great, great conversation with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving your
thank,
valuable time. And
thank you
do you also run is
time.
YouTube channel?
Yes, we have YouTube channel.
Okay, what is the name of your YouTube channel?
No problem. I'm sending the name
Okay,
via
okay.
mail.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye
you,
bye.
sir.
Have a great day. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.